Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to share with you: healthy eating hacks. We're going to reveal some incredible tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you approach your diet. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos on health and wellness. Also, if you find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the knowledge together. Discover the secrets of healthy eating. Are you tired of restrictive diets and complicated meal plans? We've got you covered. Our team of experts has curated a list of healthy eating hacks that are both delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Mindful meal planning. Discover how to plan your meals strategically to ensure you get all the essential nutrients while savoring every bite. Are you ready to embark on a journey of mindful eating? In this segment, we'll delve into the art of meal planning with a focus on nourishing your body and delighting your taste buds. Get ready to unlock the secrets of strategic meal planning and create a harmonious relationship with food. Meal planning is not just about ensuring you have meals on hand throughout the week. It's about consciously selecting nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. By approaching meal planning mindfully, you can optimize your nutrition while truly savoring every bite. 1. Assessing your nutritional needs. Before diving into meal planning, it's important to understand your individual nutritional needs. Factors such as age, gender, activity level, and any dietary restrictions play a significant role in determining the ideal balance of macronutrients and micronutrients your body requires. Consulting with a registered dietitian or using reliable online resources can help you assess your nutritional needs more accurately. This knowledge will serve as a foundation for crafting well-rounded, nourishing meal plans. 2. Creating a balanced plate. Aim for balance on your plate to ensure you're meeting your nutritional goals. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. This diversity of nutrients will provide the building blocks for a vibrant and healthy body. Remember, portion sizes matter too. Strive for appropriate portions to maintain a healthy weight and avoid overeating. This mindful approach to portion control allows you to enjoy your meals while maintaining a balanced diet. 3. The power of batch cooking. Save time and streamline your meal preparation by embracing the power of batch cooking. This technique involves preparing larger quantities of food and storing them for future meals. It not only saves you time and effort but also ensures that you always have nutritious options readily available. Choose 1 or 2 days a week to dedicate to batch cooking. Prepare staple items like grains, proteins, and roasted vegetables that can be mixed and matched throughout the week to create a variety of delicious and balanced meals. Harness the benefits of seasonal and local produce in your meal planning. Not only does this support local farmers and reduce environmental impact, but it also ensures that you're consuming the freshest and most nutrient-rich ingredients available. Explore farmers markets or consider joining a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program to access a wide array of seasonal produce. By incorporating these fresh ingredients into your meals, you'll infuse them with vibrant flavors and maximize their nutritional value. In addition to meal planning, cultivating mindful eating habits is key to enhancing your overall dining experience. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By practicing mindful eating, you can foster a deeper connection with your food and cultivate a healthier relationship with nourishment. Let go of distractions and fully engage your senses while eating. Feel the textures, savor the flavors, and appreciate the nourishment each bite brings. Mindful eating allows you to truly enjoy your meals and develop a greater sense of gratitude for the food you consume. To help you succeed in your mindful meal planning journey, here are some valuable tips to keep in mind. Set aside dedicated time each week to plan your meals and create a grocery list. This ensures you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. Explore new recipes and experiment with different flavors and cuisines. This keeps your meals exciting and prevents monotony. Incorporate a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats into each meal. This provides sustained energy and supports overall health. Pre-prepare snacks and portion them out in advance. This prevents unhealthy snacking and ensures you have nutritious options readily available. Utilize kitchen tools and gadgets that make meal preparation more efficient. Invest in quality storage containers to keep your meals fresh and organized. Stay flexible and adapt your meal plans as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and being able to adjust your plans ensures you stay on track. Remember, the goal of mindful meal planning is to nourish your body, support your well-being, and create a positive relationship with food. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-care. If you're ready to embark on a mindful meal planning journey, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We share valuable tips, delicious recipes, and inspiration to help you on your path to a healthier and more mindful lifestyle.